Screening for colorectal cancer can save your life. 90% of cases can be treated successfully when found early. That's why we recommend Albertans ages 50 to 74 get screened for colorectal cancer regularly using the Fecal Immunochemical Test, or FIT. FIT checks your stool or poop for traces of blood that you can't see. It's an easy at-home test. There are 2 ways to get your free FIT kit. You can talk to your family doctor or regular healthcare provider. They'll give you a requisition form to take to the lab to pick up your FIT kit. Or you can order your FIT kit online at screeningforlife.ca or by calling Alberta Health Services screening programs. Let's go through the online ordering steps together. To start, click the Order Free FIT Kit button on screeningforlife.ca and complete a short self-assessment. If you're eligible for FIT, you'll fill out an online order form. You'll get your FIT kit in the mail within a few weeks. Whether you get your FIT kit from the lab or in the mail, it will include a resealable plastic bag, easy-to-follow instructions, a collection container, a small absorbent pad, your lab requisition form, and information about the Alberta Colorectal Cancer Screening Program. Start by reading your lab requisition form and the step-by-step instructions. Check that all of your personal information is correct. Now, it's time to collect your poop sample. If you're menstruating, wait until your period is over to collect your sample. Let's go through the steps together. First, if you need to, pee and flush the toilet. To get an accurate result, it's important that your poop doesn't touch the toilet water or pee. Put plastic wrap or newspaper between the toilet seat and bowl along the back half of the toilet. This will catch your poop. After you've pooped, open the collection container by twisting and lifting the cap. Don't remove the foil on the bottom. Scrape the surface of your poop with the end of the collection stick. Cover only the grooved part with a small amount of poop. Put the collection stick back into the container and snap it closed. Don't reopen it. Next, throw away any garbage, including the plastic wrap, and flush. After washing your hands, it's time to fill out the information that the lab will need. First, fill in the label on the collection container. You'll need to write your first and last name, your personal health number, and the date and time you collected your sample. Next, fill in your lab requisition form with the date and time you collected your sample. Place it in the outside pouch of the bag. Put your collection container in the bag with the absorbent pad. Then, seal the bag. Keep your FIT kit inside at room temperature until you're able to take it to the lab. Do not put it in the fridge or freezer or keep it in a hot car. Next, take your FIT kit to the lab within 7 days of collecting your sample. Your lab requisition has information about where you can find a lab closest to you. If your FIT result is normal, this means that the lab found no blood in your poop. Continue to screen with FIT. Regular screening is the best way to prevent and find colorectal cancer at an early stage, when treatment is most effective. If your result is abnormal, this means that blood was found in your poop. This does not always mean you have cancer. Talk with your family doctor or regular healthcare provider about your result and more testing to find the cause. Screening regularly for colorectal cancer can save your life. For more information, visit screeningforlife.ca or call Alberta Health Services screening programs.